Imagine a world where anyone can become a published author and turn their knowledge into a source of passive income. Welcome to the ebook revolution. The publishing industry has undergone a remarkable transformation in the last few decades, and the advent of the ebook has been a game changer. Gone are the days when publishing was a maze of gatekeepers and barriers. The ebook revolution has democratized the publishing process, making it accessible to anyone with a story to tell or knowledge to share. Ebooks have brought a plethora of benefits to both authors and readers. From a reader's perspective, ebooks provide an accessible and affordable way to consume content. With just a few taps on a screen, readers can dive into a world of knowledge and stories, irrespective of their geographical location. For writers, the benefits are even more profound. Ebooks have made it possible for anyone to become a published author without the need for a traditional publisher. This means that writers can maintain creative control over their work, set their own prices, and even earn a higher percentage of royalties. But the revolution doesn't stop there. Ebooks also present an exciting opportunity for passive income. As a digital product, an ebook can be created once and sold many times over, without the need for inventory or ongoing production costs. This makes ebooks a potentially profitable venture, especially when paired with effective marketing strategies. The ebook revolution has also brought about a shift in the way we think about knowledge and skills. In this digital age, everyone's an expert in something, and ebooks provide a platform for sharing that expertise with the world. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a passionate hobbyist, you can leverage your knowledge to create an ebook that provides value to others and generates income for you. In conclusion, ebooks have indeed leveled the playing field, opening up new opportunities for income generation. The potential to turn your knowledge into a profitable digital product is at your fingertips, so what are you waiting for? It's time to join the ebook revolution. Now that you understand the potential of ebooks, the question arises, what should you write about? The answer is simpler than you think. First, your ebook topic should be something that you're passionate about. If you're enthusiastic and knowledgeable about your subject matter, it will shine through in your writing, making your content more engaging and authentic. It's also easier to stay motivated during the writing process when you're deeply invested in your topic. But passion alone is not enough. You also need to consider profitability. To figure out if there's a market for your ebook, start by researching popular categories and trending topics in your area of interest. Tools like Amazon's Kindle Direct Publishing have sections dedicated to bestsellers in various categories that can provide valuable insights. Next, think about your audience. What problems are they facing? What questions are they asking? Your ebook should aim to provide solutions and answers to these. One way to find out what your audience wants is to engage with them directly. Participate in online forums, read comments on related blogs or videos, even conduct surveys. The more you know about your audience, the better you can tailor your content to their needs and interests. Now let's talk about creating engaging and valuable content. Your ebook should not just inform, but also entertain. Use a conversational tone to make your content more relatable. Break down complex ideas into simple, understandable concepts. Incorporate anecdotes, case studies, or personal experiences to make your content more relatable. And don't forget to proofread. Errors can distract your readers and undermine your credibility. Finally, brainstorming and research are crucial in the content creation process. Use mind maps, outlines, or brainstorming apps to organize your thoughts and ideas. Research extensively to ensure your content is accurate and up to date. But remember, while it's important to be informed, it's equally important to present your unique perspective. That's what will set your ebook apart from the rest. Remember, the secret to a successful ebook lies in choosing a topic you are passionate about and can provide valuable insights on. The journey doesn't end with writing. A well-designed layout and effective promotion are equally important in your ebook journey. Let's dive into the world of design first. A professional layout is not just about making your ebook look good. It's about enhancing readability and creating an engaging experience for your readers. Imagine a book with cramped text, poor font choice, and no clear organization. Would you enjoy reading it? Likely not. The same applies to your ebook. From cover to cover, every page should ooze professionalism. Think about your cover design. It's the first thing potential readers see. With thousands of ebooks out there, you need to stand out. Your cover should be visually compelling, clearly display the title and author's name, and most importantly, it should convey what your ebook is about. Invest time and resources into crafting a cover that grabs attention. Inside your ebook, pay attention to elements like font selection, spacing, and organization. These small details can drastically improve the reading experience. Make your content easily digestible. Break up text with headings, bullet points, and images where relevant. Remember, a well-designed ebook is like a well-organized home. It's welcoming, comfortable, and easy to navigate. Now let's switch gears and talk promotion. A great ebook is like a hidden gem. It's valuable but worthless if no one can find it. Social media platforms, email marketing, and digital marketing strategies are your treasure maps. Share snippets of your ebook on social media. Spark curiosity. Create an email marketing campaign. Offer a free chapter to subscribers or a discount on launch day. Connect with influencers in your niche. Reach out to bloggers for reviews and consider online ads to boost visibility. Promotion is about making noise in the right places. It's about strategically placing your ebook in front of the eyes of those who are most likely to be interested in it. And remember, promotion doesn't end on launch day. It's an ongoing process. Keep engaging with your audience, ask for reviews, and continue to share relevant content. With a professional layout and the right promotion strategies, your ebook stands a higher chance of being noticed and purchased. We've talked about how to create an ebook that sells. Now let's delve into the potential of ebooks as a source of passive income. Remember, we've covered the importance of choosing the right topic, creating engaging content, designing a professional layout, and promoting your ebook effectively. Each of these elements plays a crucial role in the success of your ebook. But let's not forget the real game changer here: the potential for passive income. By putting in the initial effort to create and market your ebook, you can reap the rewards for years to come. Every time someone downloads your ebook, you're earning income. And the beauty of it is that it requires little to no ongoing effort on your part. This is why ebooks can be such a powerful tool for digital marketers. They offer a way to monetize your knowledge and expertise while providing value to your audience. The world of ebooks offers vast opportunities. It's time you tapped into this potential and started your journey towards creating a successful ebook. Remember, your knowledge is valuable and deserves to be shared.